Essays on Untouchables and Untouchability, Political by Baba Sahib Ambedkar. Chapter 4 3a. The division between classes who are within the Chaturvarna and those who are without it, though real and fundamental, is undoubtedly archaic in its terminology. The system of Chaturvarna is no longer operative as law. It is therefore somewhat academic to speak of classes being within Chaturvarna and without Chaturvarna. The question will be asked, what are the modern counterparts of these ancient classes? The question is perfectly legitimate, especially as I have to explain how the ancient law of Manu is responsible for the present day lawlessness of the Hindus. Although I am using a archaic language, two things will show that my thesis is true. The first is that the ancient social divisions of Manu are not without their counterpart in modern times. The modern counterparts of those ancient divisions are Hindus and Untouchables. Those whom Manu included within the Chaturvarna correspond to the modern composite class called Hindus. Those whom Manu called Bahayas outside the Chaturvarna correspond to the present day Untouchables. This dividing line between the four classes, Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra, included within Chaturvarna, have in modern times become somewhat blurred, and there has been some degree of amalgamation between them. But the line which Manu drew between those within the Chaturvarna and those outside it is still clear and is not allowed to be effaced or crossed. That line is the line which at present separates the Hindus from the Untouchables. The first thing that is clear is that the ancient divisions have descended to modern times. The only change is the change of names. The second question is, has the law as laid down by Manu for the Bahyas any counterpart in the present day social relationship between the Hindus and the Untouchables? To those who doubt, I ask to take the following case into consideration. The incident has occurred in the Ramnad district of the Madras Presidency. The end.